making sense of Rahul is as easy as consuming rasam with chopsticks. But let me also say this, that the EC got it wrong by asking him to file an official complaint. Voter fraud or duplication is an allegation. Doesn't matter where it comes from, media or a politician. Your job is to investigate and prove it wrong. Rahul can't be faulted for making the allegation. The wrong he commits time and again is to claim that the Election Commission is totally compromised and is indulging in these irregularities deliberately. Now, here is a point-by-point rebuttal, Rahul. It is very important. Number one, analysis of ECI data shows no outlier duplicate figure. Rahul highlighted one Aditya Srivastava as registered in multiple states, Karnataka, UP, Maharashtra. But this voter is only registered in Karnataka. Any similar names are coincidences, not duplicates. Duplication routinely happens in hundreds of constituencies, also won by Congress. Rahul didn't highlight that. Number two, bulk addresses were verified as legitimate. Well, in Mahadevpura, high-rise apartments and hostels list bulk voters at one address legitimately. No physical verification by Congress was presented to confirm fakeness. Bulk addresses are common in migrant-heavy areas. Number three, the 1 lakh total fake count of Congress is based on its internal projections, not verified audits, ignores ECI's routine deletions of invalid entries. For example, EC itself removed 5,000 pre-election in this very segment. Number four, voter list discrepancies in Mahadevpura, a tech hub with high migration, are common due to natural demographic shifts, not fraud. Voter rolls are publicly downloadable. Parties get electronic copies. CCTVs preserve 45 days post demographic shift. There is no fraud at all. Number six, Gandhi cited Gurkirat Singh Dang as appearing in 4 booths, implying thousands of duplicates enabled multiple voting. Duplicates arise from migration without timely deletions, common in Bengaluru's floating population. For Dang, this reflects intra-city shifts, not fraud. Okay. Names linger on, old rolls. No evidence shows Dang voted multiple times. 7, just 30 seconds. 4,000 voters without photos. Well, photos are optional, can be missing due to technical issues. Voters use epic cards or other IDs. 8, misuse of Form 6 by middle-aged elderly voters. This is factually wrong. Form 6 is for any first-time voter, regardless of age. The 70-year-old woman example likely reflects legitimate inclusion. Duplicates are flagged and finally 10 seconds. 1 year after Karnataka elections, Rahul unearths 1 lakh bogus duplicate voters. Well, Bihar SIR has just unearthed 60 lakh bogus voters. 22 lakh of them dead. 7 lakh of them duplicate. Does that mean 2024 election results of Bihar should be held unaccountable and fraud because 7 lakh of them were found to be duplicate?
That's a very good point.